a really long time that we didn't do videos. Really long time.
It has been a long time, hasn't it? And what are we making today, Stash?
Today we're making kokosanki.
Kokosanki in English, I think they're called coconut macaroons. We got the idea because Stash has been a bit obsessive with eating these coconut macaroons.
Yeah, they're really good.
So we thought we'd have a go at making some.
Yeah.
So Stash is going to tell you about all the ingredients and then we can have a look at how to make. Right then, Stash, tell us about the ingredients. What have we got?
100 grams of coconut, 100 grams of sugar, 2 egg whites, a big spoon of flour, and a pinch of salt.
Okay, very good. I'm not actually very good at this, but I'll do one as long as you do the other. Is that a deal?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
a deal,
then.
Daddy. It's a deal. Wow.
And that is how to separate an egg white. Okay then, Stash, now show us your version.
I never done this before, but
Harder! Harder! There we go. Now open it. Put your finger in the crack. Okay.
that's it. It's still going.
Okay, I think you found a new way to do it.
It's still going. Okay, so we are. We had to stop because I had some problems with this egg.
Yeah, but the egg whites, you did separate them without the yellow, so it was successful. It's just a different method of doing it, which I quite like myself. And we preheated the oven to 160 degrees, and that'll be Celsius. And now we're going to mix all of the ingredients together once we've weighed them out in a bowl. So let's get on with that. Okay then, Stashel, so all the ingredients are in the bowl, yes? The coconut, the sugar, flour, salt and egg whites, yes?
Yeah.
And now we're just mixing it up into a sticky paste.
Yeah.
And then it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, so we'll come back in a few minutes.
He taught me how to do little balls of kokosanki.
Okay then. And then what, we're going to put them on greaseproof paper?
Yeah.
Go on then. Squeeze it a bit more. Okay, now put it on there. Okay, so we'll come back in a minute when they're all finished, yes?
Yeah.
Okay,
And
fantastic.
we'll put them in the oven. You can see how it's growing.
Okay, good.
Okay. This is how it looks like when it's done.
So what do we do now, Stash?
Now we put it in the oven. I think the oven's done.
Okay then, let's put them in the oven.
This is how it looks like when it's done. We had to wait a bit because...
How long were they in the oven for? Was it 12, 14 minutes? 14 minutes, okay. And we tasted one. What was it like?
It was not ready yet, but we put it a bit more on, and I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
It's good or not.
Okay. So should we try one then?
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think they look cooked inside?
They do.
Good?